Sticker Shield is a clear film with a unique adhesive that will allow you to take a parking sticker and move it from car to car, or it just makes it easy to remove that sticker in the future without having to use a razor blade and adhesive removers. If you have a parking sticker with an adhesive on it, you're going to put the sticker shield with the paper side down, the shiny side up, and you're going to place your sticker on the shiny side. And now you have a removable adhesive on your sticker. If you need to add an adhesive to a parking permit, you would place this paper side up and your permit side up, and you want to space this so you have about a ½ inch on each side. You would remove the paper, stick your permit to it, and now you have a removable permit.